Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Poco M3 Pro and let me show you how to turn on and off camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode with back camera. Mirror effect here is only available with the front one to take selfies, so now let's tap to the right side and change back camera to the front one. From here let's go now to right corner button so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage. Now let's move to left and tap to settings to open them. And here at the second place we have mirror front camera option now, so by using button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.